So now that we've turned our image into a clickable link, I'd just like to open up our checklist and see what we still need to do. So we've set up our hosting, we've got a domain name, we've installed WordPress, we've installed our theme, we've changed most of the theme's settings, and we've added our pages. So the last things we need to do are edit the home page and change the last of the theme settings. So the first thing we're going to do is add some text and an image at the bottom of our home page, and it's going to appear in between these buttons and our social icons and this text. So it's going to appear in here, and to do this we just need to add it to a page as normal. So we just need to add a page by hovering over our website name at the top and going to dashboard. Then on the left hand side just click pages, and then up at the top click add new. Now the text I'm going to be adding to my home page is going to be about the website, so I'm just going to call this page About Us. Now you don't need to worry, the title of the page won't actually appear on the home page, so it's just really for your reference. Once you've given your page a name, you can just click in the main content area and type any text that you want to appear below the buttons on your home page. I've typed some text up that I'm just going to copy and paste in to save time in the tutorial. And once you've pasted in or typed up your text, you can insert an image just the same way as normal. So you can just click after the text and hit return on your keyboard, and then up at the top click add media. Then you just want to click upload files and select files, and then look for the image you want to use on your computer. So I'm going to use this one, and then click open. Then over on the right you can just choose the alignment. I'm going to leave mine as center. I'm going to change link to none and leave it as full size. Once you're happy with everything, you can just click insert into page. Then once you're happy with everything, your text and your image, just on the right you can click publish. Now this page won't appear on your home page just yet. We will need to add it to the home page. So to do that, we just need to click on the left where it says appearance, and then underneath just click customize. So here we're going to add our About Us page to the bottom of our home page, and we're also going to change the last of the theme settings we still need to change. So to add our newly added text and image to the bottom of our home page, we just need to click and expand the box that says front page. Then you want to change the first drop down where it says front page displays. You want to change that to a static page. Then where it says front page, you just want to choose the page you just added. So for me it's the About Us page. Once you do that, you'll see that now below your buttons is your page. So here's our text and our image, and once you're happy with everything, you can just click up at the top where it says save and publish. Now what we're going to do is link these buttons to some of our pages and change this text. So to do that, you just need to scroll down, still in the front page section. You just want to scroll down to where it says button text, and you can change this to be whatever you want. So for example, we can change, instead of read more, we can have it say see more, or whatever you want. I'm actually just going to change it back to read more, but that's how you change the text of the buttons. Now here, using these drop downs, this is how you can assign each of these buttons to one of your pages. So the first button I'm going to have linked to my build a website page, so I just choose the build a website page in this drop down. The second button I'm going to have linked to why use HostGator, so I'm just going to choose that page in the drop down. Don't worry if any images appear here, that's just because you've had it inserted in the post. I'm going to show you how to change these pictures to be custom. You'll also notice sometimes that the text here appears and it's actually just brought from your page as well, but don't worry, we can change this to be custom. Then the last one, I want to link to my Contact Us page, so I'm just going to select that in the third drop down. Then to change the text that appears between your page title and the button, all you need to do is type it into these three boxes. So the first one is here, the second one is the middle one, and the third one is here. You just want to type in something that's going to convince the person to click the button. So for the build a website one, it's actually pretty good already. It just says learn how to build a website step by step without missing anything. So if I actually just copy and paste this in here, and then I can add to it and just write by clicking the button below. Then for your second page, I would just type in something like, have you ever wondered why people use HostGator to host their websites? Click the button below to find out. Then for the third one, which is my Contact Us page, I'm just going to type, if you have any questions about building a website, don't hesitate to contact us by clicking the button below. Then once you're happy with your text and your buttons, you can just click at the top where it says save and publish. Now you can click here where it says close. And when we visit our site, we can see that our home page is looking a lot better, and our text's here and our image, and now when we click these buttons, they'll bring us to the right page. So we click on the Why Use HostGator one, and it brings us to the Why Use HostGator page. Now the only thing we have left to do is change the featured images on the home page. To make sure these images look as good as possible, just make sure the picture you use is 270 pixels wide and 250 pixels tall. This will make sure that they fit well inside these circles and they look as good as possible. So to change these images, we just need to go to each of the individual pages and assign the image we want to use as a featured image. So to do this, we need to go to our dashboard by hovering over our website name at the top and clicking Dashboard. Then on the left hand side, you just click Pages. So the first one I'm going to be changing is the Build a Website page. So I'm just going to hover over the page title and click Edit. Then on the right hand side, if you just scroll down, you'll see here at the bottom it says Featured Image. If you just click below that where it says Set Featured Image, you can then click Upload Files and search for the image on your computer. I'm going to use this one and then click Open. Now on the right hand side there won't be as many options as usual, and none of these will actually show up on your website, so you don't need to worry about any of the options. So once you've chosen the image, just click Set Featured Image, and then you can click up here where it says Update. Now when we visit our website, we'll see that the featured image has now changed to the one we wanted. Now we're just going to do the same thing for the other two featured images, and then we're totally done. So just go back to the dashboard, and back to pages. And the second one I'm going to be doing is the Why Use HostGator page. So I'm just going to hover over the page title and click edit. Then just scroll down to the bottom, and on the right hand side click set featured image. Then upload files, select files, and then I'm going to use this one. So once you find the picture, just click open, and then set featured image. Then update, and then if we go back to pages, we can change the third one, which is the contact us page. So just hover over it, click edit, then down at the bottom set featured image, select files, choose your image and click open. Then set featured image and update. And now when we visit our site, we should find that all three of the featured images on the home page have now been changed. Now the only thing left to do is congratulate yourself, because you've just finished building your very own website and it's only cost you around $12. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwordpress.com, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thanks again for watching.